how do we improve the reporting and transparency? How do we get visibility into what we're doing to make ourselves more efficient? What are we doing to reduce waste? What are we doing to ensure we're in compliance with environmental regulation? And what are we doing with visibility to make sure that all of the sustainability measures and counters are actually visible to everybody? And this is another area where I think we really shine. We use Power BI. We are Microsoft centric, our whole solution, and we use Power BI to actually collect all that data in real time. So for us, it really allows us to bring life to that data. So we're able to see all of our counters and measurements about asset performance. We're able to see all the jobs that we execute where we have the skills to be able to execute those jobs correctly. We see all of the environmental regulations that are built into our checklists within a dashboard framework. And normally the maintenance professionals that are maintaining your asset are a bit of an overlooked group when it's usually the number 2 or number 3 cost is maintaining your asset intensive or maintaining your plant. So they're helping to collect this data. So for us, from a product standpoint, if we can provide that to you in really simple dashboards when we do, it really helps people to understand how EAM is collected, but it actually allows you to interact with the data to a level that lets you see the asset performance, lets you see things like even energy consumption. So for us, collecting within that central platform that is the Microsoft ERP, being able to actually attach that data in real time and present it, I think really gives a high level of transparency around how EAM supports the reporting requirements.
Yeah, and I think that what I saw from this study that Bart made, that was that the way that companies out there in the world have approached this topic about reporting and creating transparency, that has been homemade in many different companies. But I think that what we can provide with enterprise asset management, that is a centralized data management solution, basically, because as I see it, you can store everything that you actually need in there. So that means that it's a wonderful place to create also your standardized reporting templates. And then bring that out instead of having something outside where you'd need to gather data manually or maybe partly automatic. But what we can deliver with EAM, that is an automated data capture functionality and a centralized data management solution with the purpose of being able to report standardized out of that. So I think that can really also bring down the effort to something that is manageable and also will work in the long time perspective.